Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled or hidden in the device manager settings on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang first method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang si Start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. So dito sa device manager, dito na sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung view. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung show hidden device. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapter. So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then makikita mo dito yung mga Wi-Fi network adapters natin. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung Wi-Fi network adapter. So kailangan mo lang dito mag-right click. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung disable device. So click mo lang yan. And then pagkatapos ay kailangan mo lang ulit mag-right click. And then click mo lang to update driver. And then the pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically and browse my computer. So select ka lang dito. And then select lang natin tong search automatically. And then makikita mo dito na base drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, and the next method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer ay type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang dito mag right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. Ayan, so ito yung itatype mo, ipconfig //DNS and press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na enter natin ay enter mo lang yung NETSH WinSAP reset. Ayan, so ito yung i-type mo, NETSH WinSAP reset and press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na successfully reset the WinSAP catalog. So kailangan lang natin dito mag-restart. Okay, so close lang natin ito and then click mo lang tong start menu and then click mo lang tong restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-fix ang Wi-Fi adapter disabled or hidden in the device manager. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.